Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see that inside this channel we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index. So in today's video I want to show you this wonderful spike indicator, and this wonderful spike indicator works on all boom and crash index. It works on all boom and crash index on 1 minute time frames. This is 1 minute time frames. So if guys that are looking for something that you want to be catching up your spike every day on an accurate spot, then this indicator is for you. So let me show you how this particular indicator works. As you can see here that we have our two arrow here, which is the blue one that show us the buy signal, and we have the red one that show us a sell signal. This is how you can take your spike entry every time. So immediately this your sell entry, which is the red arrow starting forming from this particular area, then that will be your entry. You starting notice that this particular arrow starting forming in a multiple time in this particular area. This is to tell you that your spike is coming on very soon. You can see at this particular time it's begin to appear, and we can see a massive spike here. And the same thing also happen here. Once you starting seeing a massive arrow here that indicates your selling area, you can see a massive spike happens, and it's up to this particular moment before a buy zone appear again. And the same thing also happen here, because we are only using this strategy for catching up spike. You can see the same thing happen here. Once your trade starting get to this particular area, you will start seeing that it's going to be a massive spike. You can see the current trade now. Currently now we have another spike again. Just imagine that you have already entered here, you capture your first spike, and this is your second spike. You can see that. And this is another one. We have the first one, the second one, we have the first one, and we have another massive, and before another one, before indicate to us a buy entry, we have another one. And this always single spike, this always single sell always appear when the massive spike happen. But you don't have to concentrate on this single arrow. What you are moving on is a multiple arrow like this. You can see this is an opportunity for you to sell, and once you sell, you catch up your spike. And this is another one spike, a longer spike here, and this is another one. You can see what happened, it moved up to twice. And this is another one. We can see we have a multiple sell entry here for a spike detector, and once it appear, you are going to get it a massive spike. And we have another one here. You can see a massive spike. You can see another one here. We have another massive spike. Just believe that your entry is going to be around this particular area once it's starting forming on a multiple sell entry. You can see this. So anywhere you enter this particular moment, you are going to have a massive spike entry. And we have another one here, another massive spike, until we have another blue arrow indicate that we have a buy entry. You can see. So that is how it works on the crash 1000. We have another massive spike. So let me show you how it works on boom 1000. On boom 1000, this is boom 1000. We can see here on boom 1000 that we have another entry starting from this particular area. So this will be your entry level for buy zone, and if you want to catch up a spike, and you can see what happened here, that we have the massive spike on the uptrend. So now currently now we are having another trend now that is going to happen. So but I'm going to enter this particular trade so that you people can see and can believe. So I'm going to enter for a buy entry. I'm going to enter for a buy opportunity at that particular zone. So let me enter to entry at that particular zone, and let's see how it works there. So let me keep on explaining the video, and let's see how the outcome is going to be. So we have another one here. You can see that we have another one here. We have a massive spike again. Just imagine that you have entered, because this arrow will appear before the spike. It will always appear before the spike. We see another one here. We have the massive spike before we have another sell entry here. So we have another one here that moves us a uptrend. You can see we have another accurate spike here. So we have another one here. We can see what happened here. We have another one here, and we can see massive spike. Let's go for more. We have another one here. You can see this is an entry starting from this particular zone up to this room. So you just enter for buy entry, and you are going to be catching up your what, your spike. Very simple and very accurate. And we have another one here. You can see, if you enter another one here, you can see a massive spike again. We have another one here. If you enter, you are going to see another massive spike. And the same thing also goes to this. Just imagine that you just catch up to like 10 spike in a day, and you can see what happened here. And we can see another one here. We can see another one. This is an example of what is of a long sell entry. We can see we have another one here, and we still manage to have a what, a uptrend on what, on spike entry. So this particular strategy worked perfectly. It worked perfectly and miraculously on you trading. Let's check our trade now. We can see that this is a live account now, and we can see for this boom 1000 that you see now, I've already make up to $3 on it. You can see that is how this strategy works. This is how this strategy works. So to get this particular strategy is very simple. What you just need to do is to message me on my Telegram link, and you are going to get access to me, and I'm going to respond to you on how to use this particular spike detector on the accurate basics. You understand, on an accurate basis on 1 minute time frame. So if you are interested in getting this spike detector, kindly message me, and you are going to get it on our Telegram group. And also, this particular strategy is not for free. It's not for free, and don't worry, it's very avoidable to get, but it is not for free. Thank you guys. See you guys in our another video.